Whether they're brewers, cheesemakers, or paper producers, workers with the formal title of separating, filtering, clarifying, precipitating, and still machine workers operate equipment that separates liquid, gases, and solids out to yield a refined product. These workers might operate a centrifuge to separate ingredients of different density, run an evaporating tank to reduce water content, or dump materials into containers for storage. But it's their attention to detail and constant watchfulness that distinguishes a perfect batch from a spoiled result. Mistakes can ruin batches and set back production schedules, as well as wasting money and supplies. Keeping tanks, pipes, and other equipment sterile is crucial. These workers frequently inspect machines and test product samples to ensure correct processing. Work environments in warehouses and production facilities may have particularly high or low temperatures and expose workers to chemicals that may be hazardous. The work can be physically challenging, and protective gear is worn most of the time. Schedules may be long, often exceeding 40 hours a week. Most positions require a high school diploma or equivalent.